Good day, everybody. We're at Suriyaland in Pattaya, Thailand, and I flew the drone around here. The place has been moved. It used to be about 15 kilometers from here, so they're in the process of still repainting, repairing everything. Got Jai's up inside the guitar here. The strings were broken on that one whenever they placed it, so they still have to fix that. I'm not sure what they use as strings. Yeah. They have a lot of neat things here. And again, they're just reestablishing. So when we first pulled up, I was thinking, oh, this is nothing like what I've seen in the past. But when we were trying to find the location, it was taking us 15 kilometers from here. And I couldn't figure out what's going on. So the car GPS was trying to take me to the old one, and Jai's phone was bringing us to the new one. So we were able to find it finally. There's the restrooms there. It looks like eggs. This place is called Suriyaland, and it says Surya Music Art. There's an old airplane sitting out here. I have no idea if it's the real thing. I'm guessing maybe it is. So when they get this all repaired, it's going to be nice again. They apologized to us. I mean, like I said, when I pulled up here, I was thinking, man, this is nothing like what I expected. The painting is not great, and apparently COVID caused big issues. This guitar here, Jai's going to go up inside it. Whoa, it's much higher up there. So if you can see her, show you how big the guitar is. Sattahip, Thailand, which is, they call it Pattaya here still, although it's not. This is like 45-minute drive to Pattaya. It's Sattahip. We spent the night here last night. Oh, I see an old classic car here too. No idea what it is. Old cash register. And Spider-Man. So they're still getting set up here. Oops. Oopsie. She lost her clothes. And you got old albums. Boy, look at all the memorabilia in here. The old refrigerators. Oh, there's a Harley fridge. For all you Harley fans, check that baby out. And all the Coca-Cola back there on display. The signs.
The car, baby.
Yeah. I'm going to walk back the other way in a minute. Since I started this direction, it's hot and stuffy in here. Well, I think this takes you into their main store, so we'll come back to this. There's this video from here. Look at all the old clothing there, somebody's wedding dress. And that's the air conditioner right back there in the corner. Just a fan. It's hot and stuffy. All the dolls are in these boxes.
You can go up there, no?
Yeah, you can.
The coffee shop there? No,
Yeah, I think so.
you don't want to go?
Yeah, I'm going to, baby. Oh, grandfather clock. Look at that, baby. They've got some really old stuff in here. I haven't a clue what that is. I think it's a stove. It is, it's a stove. It's got the outlet pipe there on top. Somebody's made this into, oh, you know what? It's a grill. I'll bet it's a grill. Nope. I think it's just what I said the first time. It's a stove. So you put the wood in here on the end. The wooden art stuff here. This is ancient, this piece. I like the painting they did in here before they brought all this stuff in. I don't know if they're going to leave everything as it is in here. I imagine they're going to spread things out as they get more set up, move things around. Suzuki motorcycle, both. We'll run into him somewhere. And this is somebody's, I don't know if it's just a start or if it's a completed version, because there's no head on it yet. It's a transformer or something of sorts. I don't know what these guys are. What are they, Captain America? And I don't know. And this is from the movie. Is it Avatar? I can't remember. So we have one Yamaha here. No idea what that one is. It looks like a Holstein cow. So we got a Holstein cow, a Yamaha. I think that's another Yamaha. And here's an MTX dirt bike. Really? This is really modern. Now I forget what they call this one too, but this is all made out of metal, I think. Let me check. It sure is. It's all metal gears, and you guys will have to tell me what it is because I'm not sure. Got a lot of figurines in here though, and the big dude is here in the back. He even has tires on him, so he's a real conversion. He's a real thing. Got a head. A lot of work. Whoever did this art, pretty good. Yeah, they're very good. And look at all the various different old clocks. hadn't come to this part of it, so I didn't see the gorilla until we came into the coffee shop. Bob out here hanging out with Baker Bob. We're going to go inside and start doing some cooking in just a minute. Got a wink going on there. You see the cafe is set up to look like an amplifier. It's got all the bass, treble, mid-range, reverb, volume controls, everything on it. And the windows are to look like the grill. And we got some dude hanging out over here waving. Don't know who he is. Say hi, everybody. Okay, I want to add in here, I just talking with the lady that runs she may be the owner, that runs the place. They moved these with a crane. They actually moved them 15 kilometers with a crane. And they took them down in 3 pieces. So, big deal. And they apparently have, Suriyaland has their own YouTube channel, and they're going to be posting some of it soon. So maybe connect with them. Okay, after Jai was inside here basically interviewing the lady in the cafe, found out that she is in fact the owner of Suriyaland. Her husband is a musician that actually has made albums, and he's a singer, and his name is Surya. So they have multiple YouTube channels. So
Very good.
Jai's having the green tea iced.
Her own recipe.
Mm.
Very nice. Very good.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name. Grass is green and so alive. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a strive. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a whirl. Savannah. Lions gone and come. The birds have just begun. Yeah, yeah. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming